What is up, Trust Troop? It is Trust to Impress, and I am BACK back with another video. Today's video is going to be a nail tutorial. I want to show you guys how I created these beautiful Bling Cardi B inspired nails from scratch. And guess what? They're press-ons. That's the best part. So I can take them off, save them for later, put them on whenever I want to be cute and bomb, y'all. So stay tuned if you want to see how I created these nails. Like I said, y'all, I saw Cardi B with some cute short nails for the first time ever. So we're going to be using these rhinestones to create the look. If you like the nails that I already have on, then make sure you check out that video. I'll make sure that it's linked down in the description box below. I made these myself as well, and they are press-on nails. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get straight into it. So I already have my whole short stiletto nails organized in a container. So I'm going to start out by just pulling out the sizes that I need to make these nails. Y'all, I have never seen Cardi B with short square nails of all the things. So when I saw her with these blinged out short nails, I said I could definitely wear those, and I had to seize the moment and make my own set. So of course, y'all already know, if you've seen my nail tutorial videos before, that I like to use my little makeshift hand. So I'm going to start off by putting my nails onto my little makeshift hand. If you are trying to follow the tutorial and make these on your own, then of course, by all means, you can use whatever you have. If you have a proper nail display, then that's perfectly fine as well. And these are going to be square nails instead of stiletto, but I'm using my short stilettos because I want the square to be tapered. I couldn't tell for sure if Cardi B's were tapered square or not, but that's neither here nor there. I like a tapered square. So I'm just going to cut the tips of my stilettos off, and without much filing, I already have the perfect tapered short square nail. So it doesn't get any easier than that. And my makeshift hand is just some kitchen wooden cooking skewers with some Loctite sticky tack on the end of it, and boom. So the actual finger displays do not, or nail display stands, they don't fit in my little UV light. So this works out perfect because it's flat, just like a hand mannequin. All right, and then of course I'm just going to do the same thing to the other hand. Once you get all of the nails cut to the desired length, of course, you want to file the edges just to make sure they're super square and super level, straight on the edges. And then you also want to buff the top of the nail. I find that this just helps the press-on set to last a little bit longer, and it helps the gel polish that we're going to be using adhere a little bit better. This is the easy part. I'm just using the Sally Hansen UV Salon Pro Gel Polish Base Coat. And you want to make sure to use an even thin layer of this polish on each nail. Now, there is a difference between the Sally Hansen gel polishes. They have one that you don't cure in the UV light and it chips very quickly. And then there's this one that lasted on my real nails for 3+ weeks without peeling or chipping. So this is the one that I use for my press-on sets because I like for them to last forever and ever so that I can keep popping them on and off whenever I want to. And you want to do the same thing to both sets, both hands, of course. And for each layer of polish, you definitely want to make sure that you are using a thin, even coat. You don't want it to look like the nail is really painted. These are going to just look like they were white nails. Next, I'm going to be using this Laguna Moon white polish that I also ordered from Amazon. Once again, thin, even coats. And then I am curing in the UV dryer for 60 seconds on each coat. I am going to be using 2 layers of my color coat, which is what I normally do. So 2 layers of the white. And then I'm going to come back with a layer of the top coat before we move on to the fun part. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, now it's time for the top coat. Once again, using the Sally Hansen step 3, which is the Salon Pro UV polish. gel polish. And we are almost done with the painting process, so stay tuned because I'm so excited about the rhinestone process. Y'all, I'm so nervous. I have never done fully rhinestone nails, so I'm a little bit excited or whatever, okay? Now it's time for the fun part. Shout out to my sis for giving me these clear rhinestones. Well, I guess they would be considered silver. Not sure where she got them from. And I am using a UV gel rhinestone adhesive and these nice brushes that I got from Amazon. So one of the brushes that I'm using is pointed and one of them is angled. And so right now I'm going to use the angle brush to evenly coat the middle nail with the UV gel polish, a super thin, even coat of this rhinestone adhesive. I got this cute bedazzled rhinestone pen, y'all, from Amazon. And that's what I'm going to be using to pick up my rhinestones and place them. And this wax pen makes it so easy. So right now I'm showing you, this is just in double time, me placing the rhinestones so that you could see and get an idea of how I start off with the perimeter of the nail and then kind of fill in from there. So this process was very tedious because the rhinestones are so small, but it was really worth it in the end. So stay tuned. Once I finished the middle nail and realized how bomb it came out, of course, I went ahead and did the ring fingernail. Now, if I'm not mistaken, all of Cardi B's nails were blinged out like this, but I could not bear to, my patience couldn't take it, doing this to every single nail. So I ended up kind of modifying the look just a little bit, and it ended up really fitting my style a little bit better, I think, anyway. So I decided to just line the cuticle of the pinky and the index finger and give just one rhinestone to the thumb, and it looks absolutely amazing. I cannot wait for y'all to see me with these on. I have to cure these in the UV light for 3 minutes, which takes absolutely forever with this small UV light that I have, but I'm using the UV light that came with the Sally Hansen kit. So I hope that you guys enjoy watching me do the second hand the exact same way that I did the first hand. And then we are going to see what these nails look like on my hands. So don't go anywhere. So here, y'all, I just wanted to slow it down and show you how I did the index finger, the thumb, and the pinky finger, because on the first hand, I recorded it in a time lapse. So this is a little bit more of the detail showing you guys how I did the last 3 nails that are not fully blinged out. Of course, with this Sally Hansen Pro UV gel polish, you have to remember to wipe it with alcohol. And look, y'all, look at these nails on my hand. How cute. They came out so cute, y'all. Like, I absolutely love this set. It is so glam. It is so blinged out. It's so functional because all the bomb nails now are super long, super pointy, and I ain't got time for that. You know, sometimes I actually do have to cook. Sometimes I do have to clean. You know, Cardi B says, I don't cook, I don't clean. Y'all know the rest. But sometimes I have to do those things. And you want to be cute and beautiful, but functional at the same time. I hope you guys enjoy watching me put together these bomb, beautiful, glam nails. I hope that you guys make some of your own. Maybe one day I will actually be selling these nails so that you guys can come straight to me for your custom nail designs. I don't know. We'll see. If that's something that you guys might like, let me know down in the comments. Keep showing your girl love. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with anyone and everyone who you think would enjoy it. Deuces.